the youth of Lira City.
Dr. Jane has done a lot for Lira City. She has improved the livelihood of Boda Boda through getting the motorcycles alone at a very cheaper cost.
She has been with the industry from day one, I can say, the time, like every time when you get problem.
I love your energy.
We take Jane back to the parliament because Jane has just started the work for 5 years.
I love you because you stand for the truth.
There are so many new things she has brought in. She has also created many new health centers. She has upgraded them.
I love you because you want to see change.
Even we as Boda Boda, we have been riding in Lira City safely because of her.
I love you because you want to see development in this city. I love you because you live in the present and not the past.
We vote for Dr. Jane Ruth because all the promises she promised last time, she did all the best for her, for Lira City.
This is your time and it is now. And you can do it. I am here to walk that journey with you.
All the Boda Bodas, all the people of Lira City should vote Dr. Jane Cheng.
Let us stand with her.
Let us take Dr. Jane back to Parliament.
Come, hold my hands. Let's walk this journey together. My promises are your promises. Your deeds are my deeds. And we shall push and make sure that we change Lira City.